Jim, salamat kayo that you are here with us, joining us this full day event for the Business Summit. Again, we're also thankful for those who came over and then attended. No, we got a full room today, and because of that, we feel excited for the next year. Why? Because people are eager to listen, to learn more, and be inspired that they can do more. Especially on the last part of the forum and the talk, the speakers are asking everyone to be positive. No, all of them are saying we are positive on the future, and it seems that we are here to act on the problems that we have, the challenges, and the speakers that we lined up this day. Maayo kayo pagka-deliver, and people were so happy listening to them. And one of those tables that I approached said, "Sir, nindot man day kayo ang mga speakers. So, it's my first time to come to a business summit. So we're looking forward to attend next year." So
So,
salamat.
sir, na ba kayo favorite topics nga na ning landing sa imong utok nga wow.
Well, I cannot say I have a favorite topic because the topics that were chosen by the board. You know? They were floated because they tied up to a singular theme that we have. No? And again, the when you say relevant to me is the one of the housing by Jack Nang. Second is the inspiration we get from Governor Pitilla. And of course, the circular economy of Jingay. And I can say everything. So, nindot yugayo. And it gives me gives me a push to do more. No? And there's always a solution to any of our challenges and our problems. So I hope you guys should be joining us next year so that we all learn together.
Last, kinsa imong pasalamatan sa very successful Mandaue Business Month, Business Summit.
Yeah. Jim, of course, kani ato ang effort but it's only 1%. 99% of this were done solely or basically who did the heavy lifting is our team behind this. The Mandaue Chamber, what you call this, kaning amo ang secretariat. They're composed of, I think, more or less 7, headed by Executive Director Marlene. No? So, kana, salamat ta. Ikaduha, ang ato ang presidente because she's the First Lady President, Bambi Tan. And of course, the overall chairman for the Mandaue Business Month, si Marvy. So, and the rest of the board who were very supportive of all our recommendations. And because of that, an easy flow of approvals, no? Mo ni nahitabo ni ingani ka successful. So, all ingredients, although we met some challenges in the setup, etc., but we're thankful. And lastly, before I forget, I thank God for everything.